What was that tweet? What was the complaint?
Well, basically, Donald Trump is finally weighing in on Bitcoin. He says that it's basically creating value out of thin air. It's interesting almost that we haven't heard Donald Trump weigh in on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies until now. But he also specifically targets Facebook and its Libra initiative, says that if Facebook wants to become a bank, it has to sign up as a bank and fall under all the regulations as a bank. So it is, again, interesting that he is targeting Facebook, given that there's all the other political noise around Facebook and privacy concerns, and also Facebook's role in, say, the 2016 election. There's a lot of stuff going on around beyond just this issue, but it is interesting Donald Trump finally voicing an opinion on cryptocurrencies.
And Facebook next week, right, is going to be in D.C. They're going to be dealing with lawmakers there. What sort of questions do you think that some of these lawmakers are going to scrutinize when it comes to the company?
Well, one very reasonable argument or question that politicians are raising right now is, if we can't trust Facebook for our privacy, for our personal data, can we trust Facebook with our money? And that's an interesting question. That's an open question. I don't know the answer to that question. That's something that Facebook is going to have to address. And that is something that clearly Facebook is going to have to be able to convince regulators and overcome that question to be able to move forward with this initiative.
And the market really hasn't moved. The Bitcoin hasn't really moved since all this either.
Yeah, you take a look at the price chart for Bitcoin. It ticked actually a little bit higher after the comments, but no more so than the usual price swings that we see on a given day in Bitcoin. So it doesn't really seem like there's much of a market reaction to this at the moment.